This is a quick lesson regarding displacement vectors. So we'll start with a general rule. Displacement vector is a vector that represents the displacement between 2 points in space relative to a common origin. So imagine we have 2 points A and B, and we'd like to create a vector AB. A displacement vector assumes a common origin, so this is usually that point 0, 0. We'll call that O. So if we have vector OA and OB, in order to go from A to B, we have to travel this path. We have to travel this path from A to O and then from O to B. So this is what we're going to look at as a displacement vector. Now the general rule is pretty straightforward. So if we're going A to B, it's going to be the difference between the finishing point and the starting point relative to that origin. So we're going to look at OB, subtract OA. All right. Now how we get this is pretty straightforward. If we're starting here at A and we're trying to get to B, then we first travel this path from A to O. So we're saying that AB is equal to AO, and then from O we travel from O to B. So OB. Now to put this in the same form, AO is the opposite vector to OA. So opposite vector will be negative OA plus OB. And if we rearrange this, we put OB first, OB subtract OA. Then that gives us our definition of our displacement vector. This can work with other scenarios as well. So consider the 3 points A, B, and C in space. If we wanted to create a vector AB again, and we wanted to use C as that common origin, that reference point, then we can do the same thing. We can go AC, CB, and that vector AB relative to that common origin C will be CB subtract CA. So we can see this again. We go A to C, which is the same as negative CA, which we have here. We go C to B, which is what we have here. Okay, so that's our basic definition of a displacement vector. We'll now look at a quick example. Okay, so in this quick example, we're looking to find the vector BA using the points 5, 2, and 3, negative 7. So to find the vector BA, it's going to be OA subtract OB. And so if I use a storage vector, OA from the origin will just be 5 and 2. And OB from the origin will be 3 and negative 7. 5 subtract 3 is 2. And 2 subtract negative 7 will be 9. The displacement vector BA is 2, 9. All right, so that completes the lesson on displacement vectors. Just a quick refresher.